my little Jenny. I can't believe it. Excuse me. It's hard to believe this day's here. It's been a long time coming, guys. And just love you guys to death. Welcome to the family.
Good afternoon. I will be serving as the officiant at this wonderful marriage, joining Jennifer Newman and Evan Thomas in holy Christian marriage. It is my custom to ask the bride and the groom, what brings you here today? What brings you to this gorgeous altar? And the answer I got was, it's the right time. I have to admit, I was a little confused by that initially. But then I learned that you two have been together since 9th grade. That you navigated successfully that tumultuous time called high school. That you not only survived as a couple, but you thrived. And perhaps it was that time that prepared you for your next challenge. Jen, you went to one college. Evan, you went to another college. And your relationship stood the test of time, distance, and culture.
Wow. Oh my God, you absolutely can't. Wow. Wow.
But you were right. It is time. It is time. It is time to take your relationship to the next level. It is time for you to stand before your God, your family, your friends, and say that for whatever time God grants you, you are choosing right here, right now, that you will spend that time together.
I promise to always be your best friend, that you have your back no matter what. I promise to always share my food with you even when you say you're not hungry. But most of all, I promise to always choose you over and over, without a pause, without a doubt.
I promise to always be your best friend, to have your back no matter what. I promise to always share the covers and learn how to make a bed like you do. But most of all, I promise to always choose you over and over, without pause and without a doubt.
Please seal your vows with a kiss.
Thank you all for coming to celebrate Jen and Evan's wedding. My sister couldn't have chosen a better guy. Evan became a brother over the years and easily fit into the fam. I can't wait to see what life brings you to, and I'm happy to be by your side. Cheers to your next adventures in life, and may your love keep growing. I love you guys, always, forever.
know some of you might think it's hard to believe that I've gotten out of line once or twice, but Evan has always been there to pick me up, and I can't thank you enough. I've always said that once Jen marries Evan, she's gonna marry me too. I've been their third wheel for about 10 years now, and I don't plan on stopping anytime soon. So with that being said, cheers to the times.